Hello guys, now audio will be there. Sorry, let us start once again. One, two, three, go. Sorry, let us start once again. One, two, three, go. Sorry, let us start. Now audio is there, na? Okay. Yeah. Now I got it. I got students WhatsApp me also. Okay. Okay. Now I got it. Thank you, Anantma, everyone. Okay, so students have not only told me in YouTube comments but also in my WhatsApp group as well. So guys, every time the number of students in a particular branch is more than 60 to 70,000, the exam is conducted in two shifts. And whenever the exam is conducted in two shifts, the relative comparison of the two paper, forenoon shift and afternoon shift, is coming. Hereby, in this session, for next 20 to 25 minutes, whenever I am saying shift 1, that means afternoon session, that means forenoon session. And whenever I am saying shift 2, that means it will be afternoon session. In this particular session, I will be comparing both shifts, the questions that have been asked in the both shifts, and also at the end, I will be telling you expected marks versus expected rank. Okay, so the main agenda of this session will be the comparing the two shifts, that is the forenoon and afternoon shift. Then I'll be telling you that where the marks can increase, and later on I'll be telling you the expected marks versus expected rank for GATE 2025 paper. Those who are watching me for the first time, let me introduce myself, guys. My name is Abhinav Sir. I have 14 plus years of teaching experience, done my MTech from IIT Delhi, got All India rank 164 in GATE 2012. This is my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav Sir. More than 6,000 students have already joined here. If you want to know, if you want to be updated about civil engineering exams, the content, every day I am putting the PDF there, a quiz, and in the evening I am putting the solution of the same questions. So every day you will be getting the civil engineering content there. So you can also join my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav Sir. If you want to join resultant, guys, then for GATE 2026 and 27 both, we have batches. You can get the live plus recording classes of each and every subject. You will be getting study notes of every subject. You will be getting formula book for every subject. You will be getting previous question for every subject. You will be getting workbook which includes MSQ for each and every subject. Okay, so apart from classes, live plus recorded classes, you will be getting study notes, formula book, question bank, and question bank means workbook and previous questions for each and every subject. For any doubt, guys, this is my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me here, or you can mail me at abhinav@resultant.in. Okay. So guys, moving further, if you have not downloaded the app from the Play Store, you can download the Resultant Civil. You just have to write Resultant Civil and you will get our app. Okay. Can you guys, all of you in the comment box, please let me know that from which city you are belonging, and also please tell me that your exam shift was forenoon and afternoon. Later on, then I will be starting the exam highlights, comparison, and expected marks versus expected rank for the Civil 2025 GATE paper. Everyone, guys, on the comment box, please tell me, and please like and share the session with other students as well. Richa, Guru, Vineet, Anantma, Vineet, Vithal, Alur, Sachin Singh, thank you everyone, guys. Everyone, please tell me your cities, and also that your exam is in forenoon shift or afternoon shift. So what was the exam highlight of GATE 2025, Civil GATE 2025 paper? Let me start it, guys. First of all, I don't know how many of you will be telling this, how many of the other faculties will be telling this, but this is not a conventional. Conventional means routine GATE paper. Okay. Here the conventional means not the subjective question. I also know that GATE doesn't ask the subjective question. But this is not the GATE paper which has been asked, or the types of question which had been asked in the previous years. This is not a conventional. This is a little bit different. Why it is different, I'll be telling you. Guys, first of all, many topics are asked which were never asked earlier. I'm not saying that it is not in the syllabus. Okay, but still, guys, human tendency. See, anybody can tell you that if this is in the syllabus, that they can ask this. I'm also agree, yeah. If that is in the syllabus, they can ask this. But still, guys, we focus more, the teachers, students, everyone, we focus more on the topics which were frequently asked. But this time, some questions were asked that are not readily asked, like a curve questions. Curve question in the strength of material, in surveying. Okay. some corrosion bacteria is also asked in environment. So there are many other topics, many more topics which is not frequently asked, but this time they have been asked, which we will consider as not important topics. Okay. Now lot of theoretical questions. GATE, see what is the difference between GATE and other exams? The GATE asks the conceptual questions, and most of the conceptual questions are numerical. Okay, this is what we mean GATE. This is what GATE is asking from last many years. But this time, guys, a lot of theoretical questions have been asked. And guys, once I say theoretical question, that doesn't mean it is not a conceptual question. A theoretical question can be a conceptual question. A theoretical question can be a conceptual question, but a theoretical question can be a database question also. Here both the things are there. There were some theoretical questions that were conceptual. There were some theoretical questions like the bacteria used for corrosion and everything that were data based. So usually, guys, if it is a conceptual based question, it is fine, but this database question is not expected from GATE. Here around 5 to 8%, which is quite high in context of GATE, database questions were asked. Okay, of course, when theoretical questions will be more, the byproduct will be the less percentage of numericals, because students usually when they give mock test and full length test, the less percentage of numericals is asked. Much tougher GATE than GATE 2024, guys. GATE 2024 was quite easier. That is why we can expect a better rank this time with the same marks. Okay, we can expect a better rank with same marks as compared to GATE 2024. This is not conventional, means this is not a routine paper. This is not a routine paper which is usually asked by the GATE exam. Lot of theoretical questions, and the students were not prepared for this. And also, with comparing to GATE 2024, the paper was tougher, or we can say GATE 2024 was the paper which is very easy, but this time it is, I can say, even not moderate, on a tougher side because of not the usual paper. Okay, I hope you all will agree with this, because response key is still not out. So response key is still not out. So you are the one who have actually given the paper. You all will agree. Please, if you all agree with these points, please put a heart sign on the comment box. Okay, once the question paper will be out, then I'll not be asking you. Okay, but still we have only 40 to 45 questions. Still there are 20 questions which we didn't get till now. That is why I'm saying now about the maximum important point for the students. Sir, where the marks can increase. Although, guys, like every year, GATE exam or the GATE conducting authorities or the softwares that select the question, because guys, they don't take 130 questions from the professors. From the IIT professors, they take many questions. They are in certain format, the subject and everything, 1 mark, 2 mark, MSQ, and then they, I cannot say randomly take 65 questions, but they take 65 questions such that every subject will be covered, such that MCQ, MSQ, NAT will be there, and such that the format of section A and section B, that is section A is 15 marks, section B is 85 marks, that is maintained. So they randomly take such questions, certain questions which are suitable for their format, but they take more than 500 to 700 questions from the professors, and they usually try that both the shifts, the difficulty level is not much. Therefore, guys, normalization is never +5, +7 or -7 or -10. The normalization is usually between 2 to 3 marks, sometimes even 0.33 marks also. Let me tell you one very important point which most of you don't know about normalization, that normalization has nothing to do with the toughness of paper, guys. The software does not know which exam is tougher or which exam is easier. Okay, the average of marks, suppose 40,000 given the exam in shift 2, 60,000 students have given the exam in shift 1, then the software is taking the average of the students, average marks of the students in shift 2, average marks of the students in shift 1, then the software decide that what normalization marks has to be given. GATE software does not know that which exam is tougher. Okay, it is decided on the basis of average marks the student obtained in a particular shift. If average marks obtained in shift 1 is more, then shift 1 will be considered easier, and the normalization effect or the plus effect, normalization plus effect will be given to shift 2 students. Got it? Got it? So this time, guys, as always, the difficulty level is not much, but paper 2 is slightly lengthier than shift 1. Although there are certain questions in shift 1 which were not straightforward. They are complex, but still, after seeing the both papers, I'm again telling you that I got only till now 40 to 45 questions. 20 questions still I didn't get. So as of now, what I get that shift 2 was little tougher than shift 1, little lengthier also than shift 1, although there are few questions in shift 1 which were tough. Okay. Now moving forward guys from here, everyone, if you have any doubt you can also ask me your doubts at the end. Now going for the paper comparison of shift 1 and shift 2, then I'll be telling you the expected marks versus expected rank at the end. Now this is the cutoff of MCQ, MSQ and AT. This is the cutoff of 2000, no, this is the number of questions of MCQ, MSQ and AT in the previous year. Once the response key will be out, and I'll be telling you the MCQ, MSQ and AT distribution for 2025 also. This I am telling you again and again. Let me tell you very precisely that last time 85,000 students have actually appeared for the examination. 1 lakh students have registered, but 85,000 have appeared, out of which 2,000 students get negative marking, 27,000 students got 0 to 10 marks, 10 to 20 marks 31,000, 20 to 30 marks 13,900 students, 30 to 40 5,000 students, 40 to 50 only 2,000 students, 50 to 60 only 1,200 students, 60 to 70 590 students, 70 to 80 137 students, 80 to 90 only 18 students, and there is no student got more than 90 marks. That means more than 40 marks, less than 5,000 students are there. More than 40 marks, less than 5,000 students are there. This is now the 2024 marks versus rank. I'll be telling you for 2025 also, but before that, and at the end I'll be telling you this also, that at what rank, what are the options available. Okay. PSU at what category विशाल? 60 मार्क्स PSU मिलेगा कि नहीं, वो बाद में हम यहाँ से देखेंगे, ठीक है? Later on we'll see from here. Now we'll be seeing this also later on, but first of all let us see the types of questions asked in shift 1 and shift 2 on the basis of memory. For engineering mathematics guys, in shift 1 there is an equation of circle. The two circle centers are given and radius is given. So x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y2 whole square is equal to r square. We have to write the equation of both circles, and then we have to solve those equations and find the intersection points. There was a question of Euler's method. There is a second order linear differential equation. The question was asked on this. There is a simple 1 mark question of e to the power minus 1 expansion. E to the power minus 1 expansion was asked, that most of the students have done. Probability question was not the simple one. It is based on the random variable. Eigenvalue, the simple properties of eigenvalue, the simple question of is asked. Maximum minimum question was asked. Property of metric, a question was asked, and auxiliary equation, a question was asked. Okay. It was slightly tougher than shift, then because of more theoretical question. That is what I said, not slightly. I am saying as compared to 2024, it is much tougher. I am not saying slightly tougher than 2024. I am saying it is much tougher. Ayush, I guess आप पूरा सेशन तो देखते नहीं हैं. एक बार शुरुआत में देख लो मैंने भाई क्या बोला है. Shift 2, again a question was asked on order of linear differential equation. Set relation question was asked, that can be solved on the basis of Venn diagram. Transpose of a matrix question was asked. Curl and divergence property based simple question was asked, and a maximum minimum question is asked in shift 2. If I talk about Sohman structure, then guys, the rigid bar nahi hota hai. There is a rigid bar. Okay, of course rigid bar there is no deformation, but the movement can be there, and it will be, then similar triangle is applied. That question of rigid bar where similar triangle concept is asked, that is asked. A question from frame was asked. Movement distribution method was asked. In shift 2, truss, ILD, and when the support is sinking, at that time the reaction is asked. In steel, shift 2 we didn't get the question, but in shift 1 the question was all asked from the old connection. In RCC guys, T-beam is asked, and we have to find, I guess, neutral axis or some other calculation. And one more questions, all values are given, the grade of concrete, grade of steel, dimensions were given, and we have to find out the sigma st. In shift 2, a simple question was asked on movement of reinforcement, and this shear reinforcement, the spacing between stairs question was asked in shift 2. Building material, I didn't get the question till now from shift 1, but shift 2, a fly ash question was asked. Per CPM in shift 2 we didn't get, but shift 1 a theoretical question was asked where 4 statements are given regarding Gantt, free float. Again a theoretical question was asked, not a numerical was asked. Okay, Bali bhai wahi to bola yaar, I just told the same thing. Hydrology guys, in shift 2 we didn't get the questions, but in shift 1 risk reliability, very simple question was asked. Precipitation, the 4 statements were given. Okay, Thiessen polygon and missing data, that out of the 4 statements we have to find the correct one or I guess incorrect one. The question was asked on the flood hydrograph. Again, it was not a usual question. Okay, what we expect, the type of questions from flood hydrograph, that type of question was not asked. Okay, and a trapezium was given. All data, dimensions, slopes were given, and we have to find out the evaporation. Now guys, soil mechanics, again it was around 14 to 15 marks. The highest weightage was of soil mechanics. Here a simple question of phase diagram numerical was asked, and the same phase diagram numerical was in shift 2. Not same, but on the same principle the shift 2 question was asked. Odometer consolidation, a numerical question was asked. Darcy law and K equivalent concept. First we have to find out the K equivalent and then question in that question, and from Darcy law we have to find out the discharge. Terzaghi, on the base of Terzaghi formula the question was asked. Slope stability, little tough question was asked here. Okay, most of the students are not able to do this question. Plasticity chart, simple guys. The value was I guess more than 50 and the point was here. So it will be high plasticity clay soil or inorganic soil. And then again a Mohr circle was given and we have to find out the phi value. Okay, so sin phi is perpendicular by hypotenuse. From this the question was asked, and pile numerical was asked where we have to find out the diameter. Again it was a simple question. So this question was the question which I guess 90% students are not able to solve this. Shift 2 guys, 4 statements were given regarding earth pressure, effective stress, liquefaction. Okay, and we have to find the correct or not correct one. Consolidation, this TV is equal to CV into T by D square. Again the numerical was asked, which I guess most of the students have done. Flow net numerical was asked, and one Terzaghi numerical was asked. So if I see soil mechanics na, this question slope stability was literally tough, which most of the students are not able to solve. Now in transportation guys, again degree of curve of railway. This was of railway, which most of the students are not able to solve. Oh, which not, I'm not saying not able to solve, which most of the students are usually not reading, because once transportation comes we think the traffic will be coming, geometry design will be coming, but here this question was asked. PHF, peak hour factor was asked. Qmax, okay, data was given of density and velocity. Qmax was asked. Marshall mix, again guys this is not a usual question. Okay, although it has been asked in the previous years 2-3 times, but it is not the important topics of highway. Again a theoretic, in shift 2 a theoretical question from bitumen was asked. The properties of bitumen and softening point. Runway length was asked. Traffic design and growth rate. This is a database question. This is a database question. Although when I teach highway, I told a story, and from this I tell the data. Traffic growth rate was 5%, and design life was asked, that is 20 years. Design life of highway and traffic growth rate. The database question is asked, which is not expected from GATE. PCU, vehicle damage factor, and CBR, again a theoretical question was asked. Green shield model, a numerical was asked, and extra widening, a simple numerical, which you apply the formula you will be getting this. Okay, I used, let us see the range of NAT, then we will be in a better way. Yes, same, Bali, same I told in geotech. Okay, let us see, I use the range of NAT, then we can see what is there. A dimensionless number, na? Froude number square. Froude number square was asked. Bernoulli question was asked on the basis of assumption that Bernoulli is not used in rotational flow, laminar flow, and frictional flow, where it is not, where Bernoulli question cannot be used. Hydraulic jump question was asked. Critical flow question was asked. Here a direct question of critical depth and break in grade. At what break in grade we'll get a hydraulic jump? When the flow has to go from third region to first region, then there will be a hydraulic jump. So that question was asked in OCF. Environment guys, a surface overflow rate question was asked. PSDO theoretical question was asked. Log kill question was asked. In shift 2 non-carbonate hardness, bacteria causing corrosion, and a numerical on treatment of water is asked. Survey guys, curvature correction simple. Curvature correction is proportional to d square. CC is minus 0.073 d square. That question was asked. Simple, very simple. N30 west. So what will be whole circle bearing? It will be 330 degree. Curve deflection angle asked on the definition based question was asked. Reciprocal leveling. Simple formula you have to apply and you will get the answer. Shift to curve. Again guys, we don't expect a curve question, but the question was asked, although it was not tough, and simple numerical was asked on RF of scale that most of the students have done, and again a simple question on included angle. Now if I talk about the marks versus rank for GATE 2024, guys, this is for GATE 2024. For GATE 2024, this is the marks and the rank. But this time, because of theoretical question, because of little tough paper than 2024, and not conventional paper, not the questions that we expect. There is around 10 to 15% questions which we usually don't expect. In every exam of 65 questions that GATE is asking, एक क्वेश्चन बाहर से आ गया या यूजुअल नहीं आया तो इट इज ओके, बट दिस टाइम अराउंड 10 to 15% क्वेश्चंस व्हिच वी आर नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट दे आर नॉट इन द सिलेबस, बट वी डोंट एक्सपेक्ट दिस. Because of this, even with lesser marks, we can get a better rank. This I am writing the normalized marks. Okay, normalized marks. Shift 2 marks again I am saying can increase. So with 85 marks, we can expect around 85 marks, the single digit rank, around 50 rank in 77 marks, 100 rank in 72 to 73 marks, 500 rank in 62. This is for GATE 2025. GATE 2025. GATE 2025 expected. Around 500 rank we can expect in 62 marks, 1000 rank we can expect in 60 marks, 1500 rank we can expect around 53, 54 marks, 2000 rank in 50 marks, 3000 rank in 45 marks, 4500 rank in 40 marks, and around 6000 or I can say 6500 rank in 35 marks. So at what marks you can get what rank, that I have written here. Let me tell you for general category na. For general category, then I'll be telling you OBC and EWS also. If your rank is less than 1200 na, all India rank. If your all India rank is less than 1200 na, you will be getting old ITs. Not structures and everything, but you will be getting something. Okay, if your rank is less than 2500, there is a high chance that you will be getting new ITs. NIT, though even you are just qualified or 5 marks more than the qualification, you will be getting NIT. Okay, and less than 250 rank, you will be getting PSU. Now if I talk about OBC and EWS, then old IT you can get around 1600 rank. Old IT, around 3200 rank you will be getting new IIT. NIT, though even you are GATE qualified, you will be getting it, and around 400 or 350 rank you will be getting PSU. Now if I talk about SC and ST, category, old IT, if you are getting less than 3200 rank, you will be getting old IT. Okay, new IT, if you are getting less than 4000 rank, you will be getting new IIT. NIT you will be getting even you are GATE qualified, and PSU, if your rank is, last time one of my student who is from this category, even with 900 rank he get a IUCL. So 900 rank you will be getting PSU. Okay, now the detailed thing I have written here, you can see this, at what marks, what are the things available. Let me put my camera off so you can see. You can take a screenshot also later on here. You can take a screenshot for this also later on. Okay, you can see this, that at what rank, what are the options available, although briefly I told you at the beginning. Rubaranj, correct answer for degree of Rubaranj, once the paper will be coming, I will tell na. Sir, my expected marks in the first half 69, and suppose 2 marks cut जाएंगे for normalization. हाँ, 2, yes, future IS, sure, मिलेगा. Ayush, let us see the, I guess NAT range will also be in the range of 0.7 to 0.8. They will be applying this if they have not given. Okay, hydrograph in shift 2, unit 2. Okay, Vinit. Okay. So this also you can see later on. Now again guys, let me tell you that you can download the resultant civil app. You can download the resultant civil app from the Play Store. Okay, we have the batches for 2026 and 2027. Live plus recorded batches are there. 3500 questions, and let me tell you briefly here. You will be getting live plus recorded classes. You will be getting for every subject formula book. You will be getting for every subject workbook. For every subject you will be getting previous questions with solutions. For every subject you will be getting complete study notes. Okay. If you want to know anything, you can WhatsApp me at this number 93549 16360, or you can mail me at abhinav@resultant.in. Okay, thank you guys. For any other doubt, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be replying your comments, whatever you comment in the comment section of this video. Thank you everyone. Take care.